Alright folks, this is Coffee Pot 89 back with another video. We're under the I-26 east and westbound lanes. I found another spot. We're going to go to a different location though. But we have a train coming already. It's way down there. We'll come back when we get closer. This is a slow mover. That was a rock train. Herzog rock train. It's loaded. What does that thing do? Dang, I still see the front of it. All right, let's go see what else we can catch at another location. I just seen a green light at this one. Figured I'd come catch it up on here since I found this spot under the bridge. Under the I-26 east and westbound ramps. Lanes. Well, guys, I guess that's the only train I'm gonna get today. The Herzog train. CSX. Under the I-26 overpass, west and east bounds. A new location. It's Sunday, March 9th. I guess there ain't too much action going on with CSX or anything. But I guess it's better than nothing. Until next time, peace.